Hi guys, and welcome back for another saxophone tutorial from Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to play that short little piece in the grade 2 sax book called Waltz by Kabalevsky. Tricky little piece this, quite awkward intervals. So I'm going to ask you to play along with me with the metronome as well at a steady tempo to see if you can play it really steady. And then I'm going to invite you to play along with the piano accompaniment all by yourself. So if you're looking to improve your saxophone playing, then why don't you subscribe to Nottingham Music Excellence, click on that bell notification also, and you will be updated when I release future videos around this standard. Hope you enjoy the video. Here we go. Okay, so you've heard the music. Let's say a few words about some of the detail in there and what you need to do to make this sound really awesome. So I think the difficulties of this piece can be really summarized as, firstly, a good feel for that waltz tempo, and secondly, you've got to really know how to play these awkward intervals and still make it sound really great. So I think in some ways this piece is a little bit like the polka that I played from the same grade, in that it's quite deceptively difficult and very quick and short. So firstly, make sure that you don't miss that entry, and then when you do come in, you're in straight away with some of those quite tricky entries. And some of the notes on this don't exactly hit like the nicer notes of the instrument either. You know, they're quite awkward intervals, like the A to the A. The upper octave A can be a little bit sharp compared to the lower octave A. So there are some kind of technical challenges with regards to playing this melody on the saxophone also. So that's a little bit fiddly, I think, the A to the C. And again, the A to the B. And then another octave jump there. And then you'll see there's a slight rip there before you go back into the tune again with the piano. Also, just a little word about where it says pocis rit retardando. Now, I've noticed with a lot of pupils that I've taught, they find the little rits and accels and attempos, they always find those quite hard to put in there to get the right feel for it. So practice that a few times and make sure you're really happy with that. And again, another one of those pieces with the piano that try not to hang on to the piano part, try to really lead the performance and show the piano what tempo you want to play it at. So from bar 17, so it's really up to you to show the piano what speed you want to play this at. And again, a bit like the polka that I played, you'll notice that when you play this, it's a very short piece. It's over in no time at all. So prepare well, make sure you've got all the detail in there and you're really happy. Rehearse it with the piano a few times and make sure you're really happy with how you're playing it. Okay, so grab your saxophone. I want you to play this along with me now, with me and my metronome. I'm going to set this to crotchet equals 52, which is a little tiny bit under tempo. And see if you can play it at this manageable tempo with me really accurately. Here we go. So 2 bars for nothing, I'll count you in. Here we go. So 1, 2. Okay, I hope that went okay. Now have a go at playing with the piano accompaniment yourself and see if you can get it really accurate. Okay guys, I think that's it for Waltz by Kabalevsky. Hope you enjoyed that, hope you found that useful. If you did, of course, click that like button and let me know how you're getting on with grade 2 saxophone. But for this one, that's it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!